So usually that's the reason why I don't do contracting work while wearing a suit. Oh, whoa! What's going on? Welcome to the Manic Money Finance channel. I'm Crypto Corey. This is Money Mike. You already know what time it is.
Hammer time?
It's selection night. That's right. We're on the selection night. So, and obviously already you can tell right from the description, right? The charts say the Donnie J. Trump won here. What do you think about that, Mike?
I mean, he's winning. You're telling me though, and it was actually like a pretty interesting point that based off of the financial charts, it already looks like Trump won.
Yeah, I put that out a couple days ago on my social medias that yeah, we can already tell who won the election based on what the charts are doing. And what are the charts doing, Mike? Well, they're going crazy.
Right? They're basically going up.
Right. Come on now, we already know. So let's put like logic in here. And this is Sunny, the new kitty. Got a new kitty now. But this is going to be the first funded cat, prop firm cat. It's gonna make our trades for us. But yeah, the chart's been going up, and you think about the big guys, they know what's going on. They get the information before the masses, right? And
yeah, the SPY's at 5,800.
Come on now, right? So if you know how to read the footprints in the market, right? We talk about this all the time in the channel. We should get this stream out to some people. But we talk about this all the time on the channel. We can see the big players moving before the retail gets the news. And based on what the charts have been doing, and I said this probably a week ago, Trump seems to have won the election. Now, everybody who knows me personally knows that I'm not political. I didn't vote this election. I didn't vote last election. I didn't vote the election before, despite how many people tried to convince me, and then the news trying to say, "Oh, this is the most important election." It's always the most important election. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on. You keep hearing the same thing over and over again. We don't want to get too into the weeds here, because we're a finance channel. We're not a political channel. Let me get this on here. So yeah, we're not a political channel. We don't really hold political beliefs, right? The only political belief is that everybody I know and my friends, they should be making some money. That's my belief, right? Isn't that right, Mike? So I think we might have lost Mike here.
No. My bad. Yeah. So I'm looking at the stream and it's just you.
Really? Hold on, let me get this.
Yeah, so I think you gotta change your Discord.
Oh yeah.
Grid name.
So I go into this here.
Yeah, I go on Discord. I usually do grid view.
Yeah, how about now? You good? Let me see, make sure we got. So I go into this, yeah. All right. We already screwed this up.
I know what's going on. So, like, I don't know. I'm not coming up on your thing at all. I think Discord is just totally shot right now. Yeah. So you have to go to Restream and you have to go share your screen on Restream. That's what it is. Go to Restream.
Are you watching the YouTube channel? Because it looks good on my end.
Really? Oh.
Sorry, everyone. We're having
Oh.
some technical
Yeah, no, it's
difficulties
working
today.
fine.
All right. It's all right. We were like messing with this for like 20 minutes before. It must be because, they don't want this stream getting out. Let's get that straight. They don't want you getting the information. They don't want you getting financially stable, right? They want you to be poor, depressed, and sick, right? Isn't that right, Mike? Keep eating that McDonald's.
They want you financially unstable. They want you spending money like it's going out of style.
Nothing wrong
Like,
with McDonald's. I'm not going to call out any companies, but yeah, keep eating that stuff. See what happens.
it kind of sounded like you wanted all the smoke of McDonald's.
You already know. Hey, didn't Donnie J. Trump didn't he go to McDonald's recently? I think I saw something like
He
that.
eats McDonald's like every other day.
I love it. The best burgers. They got the best French fries. Don't ask me that. This is what people said. It's not my opinion. Okay, it's just the best. The greatest French fries ever. You can come down to McDonald's and get the French fries. But
Oh man,
let's get back to this stream. This is getting off the rails here.
I don't know. That was pretty good.
He like Trump likes to take his voice slow and then ramp it up and then come down. Like, it's just it's hilarious listening listening to him.
100%.
But yeah, I mean, like, yeah. Well, let's see what's going on with the stream. If you like Trump, put a 1 in the chat. If you like Camila, put a 2 in the chat. Right? We all loving everybody here. That's all. But we had nobody in the chat.
Nice. So everything's working good. Twitch stream's good. YouTube's good.
Seems like
I got chats up.
Yeah, we're looking good here. So yeah, let's
the election results.
Yeah, you got the election results up there. Oh yeah, see, yeah, you're sharing your part of the screen. I don't think we're gonna see anything tonight. You know how it is. You're not gonna really know until tomorrow.
See what?
Any results?
You can go to the individual states and you can see how many votes are in and the percentages. Right? Ah!
Yeah.
And you can literally, like Georgia, for instance. You're seeing everything I'm doing with the mouse.
Yep.
Yeah. So see Georgia, for instance. The amount of votes, like the vote count that's in, the votage percentage. I mean, you're seeing like 300,000. So that's why they're calling some states where 27 are reporting in Tennessee. They're already calling it Kentucky, etc., etc. And they'll leave them red to let you know that they have like kind of a good idea, or they'll show you who's winning or losing at the moment. Right now, because it's so early and so many states just started reporting, I mean, a lot of these numbers, I mean, obviously not New Hampshire.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what it is.
And like I said, we don't care either way who wins or loses,
Well, we do because
right now,
it's going to be we're going to be playing the markets based on what's going on with the news, and election day is high risk, right? So we for everybody who's a student of mine and everybody's watching and is just getting started, we do not trade on election day. I mean, you probably, if you traded this morning, right, maybe you were up, right, but you might have been on the other side too. So this price action's been very volatile today. Why don't we bring up the NASDAQ and start getting into it?
Bring up that NASDAQ.
I'll just bring up the NQZ 2024. Let me bring get this up here. So yeah, this might be a little different because everybody's used to having me go over Bitcoin, but guess what? We're not going over Bitcoin right now. We're going over the NASDAQ because I'm switching up a little bit and start trading the NASDAQ futures because why? The chart moves way better. It is much more predictable than, say, Bitcoin, which is super volatile and you can get stopped out super easily. All right. So you can trade the NASDAQ futures. And since we're at the end of the quarter, last quarter, the fourth quarter, that is the Z. So we're on the contract with Z. Make sure you use that contract. Right. So what happened this morning? Let's go back. See what happened. And I mean, this is kind of similar with Bitcoin as well, right? We can let's see what happened here. Are we losing? Let's see what's going on here. Did we lose Mike? I think we lost Mike.
No, yeah, I think you just.
No, yeah, you still there? Things messed up.
I was listening to you, bro.
Yeah, it's because I'm used to seeing your video on the bottom of the screen. So yeah, let's go back to this morning and see exactly what happened. Right? What do I tell everyone in the stream every single time that what time are we looking to trade? Right? We're looking between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. We're hunting for our model. All right, I'm going to put a vertical line at 7 a.m. and then I'm going to put it at 12. Now, 12 o'clock doesn't mean stop trading. It means stop looking for your model. Right? So we had to cross below, and this thing was just going sideways. What is the model that I teach? We're looking for a movement that's going to be taking out previous lows. See this right here? People had their stop losses here. And if they had it here, they were safe. This morning wasn't the best, right? But this swing low right here violently took out these stop losses and these as well. And as soon as we got the crossover, can you guess what time that happened? Oh yeah, it's buying and selling pressure, right?
9 a.m.
9:30, right? 9:30 exactly. We get the golden cross, right? Boom, you enter the trade, right? Imagine you just enter the trade just based off the crossover this morning. Boom, you got paid, right? I would have paid myself here. I'm gonna just be straight up with you. I'm not gonna usually. I mean, if you want to leave a runner, that's good too. But right, it's almost 1%. Right? It was a good day. Hello.
I think Corey's significant other is home. Sounds like she was calling him.
Yeah, my girlfriend just got home from work. Yeah, so look at that, right? And I'm just like I try to hammer this home because it took me a while to get it to. My mentors still have to hammer into my head. We are looking for our model between 7 and 11 a.m. 12, I mean, a little after. I mean, typically 7 and 11 a.m. is where you want to be looking. See how if you had waited till 12, it kind of still kept pumping? But typically, we're going to be seeing a liquidity run at 12 o'clock. Why is that? Because it's simple. People are going to lunch. That's the answer, right? So the model played out perfectly, right? I wouldn't have played this because it's really not. I'm expecting to see this dip down lower, right? This is not what I was expecting to see today. Got the daily fair value gap here. So I wanted to make sure everybody's aware of this. We're going to bring this up. So this is the NASDAQ, right? We have a daily fair value gap. I'm expecting for this to get filled, right? Buy side inefficiency right here. See how it's also getting a rounded top? We kind of had this rounded top. This came back up, right? Tested the bottom of this, almost like this range that's been going up here. You see it? I'm expecting this to come down into this fair value gap. That's where I'm expecting price to go. You know, probably I want to see a dip before we go pumping to new all-time highs. That's what I'm looking for right now. That is the NASDAQ. Let me bring up let's go to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin kind of doing something similar. Yeah. Sure, we got this going. So yeah, Bitcoin, what a wild day, right? We're going to the monthly. I don't know if Mike's still with us. Doesn't seem like it. But yeah, we're going to keep the stream going. I don't know why we're getting such technical difficulties today. This is very annoying. So yeah, monthly, this is what we want to see. This is exactly what happened. We have the open. This is where the price opens up. We want to see it trade down. Remember in the last stream we talked about this? We want to see price trade down. This is probably going to be a better way to do it. Let's see here. Huh, yeah, that's not what I wanted to do there. But anyways, so we have the monthly. We're going to be looking for our bias in the monthly time frames, right? This is less than ideal how it's doing this. Okay, so we're going to look for the open. Where is the open? The open's right here. That's where the candle opened. We want to see it trade down, which creates this wick here, right? We want to be buying at the open or below the open, right? If we are expecting the month to be bullish. After that, right, second week, we want to see it trade up. This is going to create the body of the candle, right? We see price trade up, and then when it closes, it's going to come back down, right? And it's going to create the candle body. Now that's your close. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for open, low, high, close. If we're bullish on the month, we want to see it trade down first. The first week was to trade down, right? This is creating the wick. See this right here? This is a buy program. Look at this monthly progression here. Open, low, high, close. Open, low, high, close. Open, low, high, close. If we're bullish for the month, and then see this, right? This is a bull flag. This is the cup and handle we've been talking about for a long time here. We want to see price trade up. And what does this look like? Everybody who's even a beginner can see what's going on here. What does the monthly look like it's doing? Mike, do you know what the monthly time frame's doing right now? No, we lost Mike here. Let's see here. Yep. So, see that? Yeah, we're just not doing good tonight with Discord. Discord sucks. It's just not going to work today, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, Mike's gone too. I don't know what happened there. Don't know what happened there. Trying our best here. All right. Well, it doesn't look like Mike's going to answer the phone. Just going to run it, I guess. Let's just run it. This is unfortunate. Restream, you really got to get your stuff together. This is very disappointing. All right. Let's see it. All right, let's see it. So Bitcoin, I'm going to go through this quickly. Yeah, see, it just doesn't want me to. It's been difficult today. Yeah, so the monthly time frame clearly breaking out. Yeah, this is unfortunate that I can't keep it on the same screen, and it's just gonna do this when I switch the screen. Yeah, Discord, something's going on with it. It's not good. Can't show the chart without screen going like that. So yeah, monthly time frames breaking out. We want to see the open, low, high, close phenomenon. Right now it happened. We traded below. Now we're trading above. I'm expecting this to trade up, and we're going to be seeing new all-time highs. Give Mike a call again. Does not look like the stream is working out tonight. That's for sure. Discord, highly disappointed. Highly disappointed for sure. Let's see if See if Manic Money will Money Mike's gonna answer the phone here. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Got 2 people watching. Anybody want me to go over anything? I don't think Mike's gonna pick up the phone. He seems to have disappeared. So yeah, the stream's gone downhill, that's for sure. But we're keeping it going, right? All right. So yeah, Bitcoin giant cup and handle breaking out on the monthly time frame. I am bullish. I am seeing the charts going up. So that's what Bitcoin is doing. So I wanted to bring up a couple things. Altcoins, a couple altcoins. We're not going to make this stream completely trash, right? I want to give you guys some stuff here, something of substance that since you tuned in, right? I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. So let's see. Yeah, Discord's terrible tonight. Horrible streaming platform. So yeah, let's go into some of the charts here. I'll bring it up. My first altcoin pick of the week here is DEAI. All right, DEAI, and you can get this on MEXC, right? So give you the view of the charts. That's a daily here. What am I looking at? Wow, this every time I click off of Discord, it makes me click back on to update it. If Discord, if you're watching, this is horrible. Very disappointed with what you have done. This isn't like what it was before. Okay, so 15-minute, right? Breaking back above the 200 and getting that golden cross. Let me see if I can get up a different one. USD is 01 Labs, right? Oh yeah, this is the chart that we were looking at. All right. So I am looking at this projected target. This DEAI. Yeah, this is no good. No good at all. So yeah, we're not gonna get a stream tonight, unfortunately. Let me get the. I'll bring this up. So yeah, DEAI. Make sure you guys can see. I am looking for a 59% move here, right? I'm targeting this area. So we're looking at the 4-hour. I want to see the 4-hour come back down closer to that 200 so I can get an entry, right? That's going to be a nice entry. We'll put our stop below the 200, and that's going to be that. So that's DEAI. Let's go on to the next altcoin real quick. Stream went downhill very fast. I'm sorry about that, everyone. Don't know what happened, but we're going to keep it going. So, yeah. Genosis, I think. Yeah, that's got this in the group this morning, so I wanted to give it to y'all. I see this one doing some damage, right? Check out the daily, right? We're front running the golden cross on the daily. I want to see this pop up above, and we're going to keep trading, right? and I want to see this make new all-time highs. That's what I'm looking for. Check out that Adam and Eve. You see it? You already know, right? Giving you the sauce, right? Adam and Eve right here. That one banged, right? That pattern banged out, just like I teach you. Boom. Pattern banged out. And I'm expecting to see more. So that's GNO. GNO. Get that MXC as well. I had this one come across my desk as well. Shiba. I know everybody like, oh, Shiba, that's an old coin. Well, if I see stuff, I'm going to shout it out. So I see a flag here. Want to front run this golden cross as well on the daily for Shiba Inu. I see this one doing some work as well. But I also see that the new coins are doing better than, say, the old coins. So if you're going to be going memes, I would be doing some research on the Solana memes because those have been doing good. Also, Sui has been going crazy. Let's bring up Sui. I want to make sure I bring up Sui for you guys. So this is a whole new blockchain, right? So we're going to get different crypto, different memes. This one's been ripping. This one's hot. Check out Sui. It's a good one. It was a good buy today as well. Look at that golden cross came back, touched, and then boom, we're off, right? Still looking good. I see this one coming up. We're going to make new all-time highs. All right, so there's a little bit of Mina, right? We're going to look at that one. All right, so let's look at the daily. Came down and it took these lows, right? Took those stop losses and pumped right back up. So I want to see this continue. See this rounded bottom? This is what we talk about on this channel. We get these rounded bottoms. This is what we like, right? Round bottoms make money. Keep that in mind. All right, so that's Mina. All right, and the last one for today, because I lost my partner. I don't know what happened here, but we still gave the sauce. This one's on Coinbase too, so be checking this one out. AXL, right? We're looking for this golden cross, right? Kind of faked us out here, but it's not over yet. And see how we're getting this rounded bottom as well. So we're getting a lot of this, as you will see in the altcoins. Rounded bottom, almost like a cup and handle. Cup and handle right there. Boom. Projected target, $1.15. What's our target? 1, right? And we put our stop loss below these low, or we could put our stop loss even below that low, right? That would kind of make it more of a 1-to-1. So if you really wanted to, you can bring stop loss up. But my suggestion, and this is not financial advice, nothing on this channel is financial advice. If you need a financial advisor, please seek a professional. I am not a professional financial advisor. All I'm going to do is show you my journey. This is documentation of my journey in this financial world. This is not to be taken as advice in any way, shape, or form. You got that? So with this rounded bottom and the cup and handle, I'm projecting this at $1.17, $1.15, right? Take our money there and we'll look for another entry. So yeah, the charts, I mean, they've been bullish, as you can see. We've kind of went over what we wanted to go over. It's too bad we couldn't get Mike in the chat here. He's not able to come back in. I don't know what happened. But next time we'll get some information about what stocks and options that he's doing. I'm typically just a crypto side of things. So other than what we went over with the NASDAQ today. But yeah, I want everyone to go and do some research. If you want to get into the crypto, I want you to go to CoinMarketCap. I want you to look at the top 100, top 200 coins. I want you to just go through all those coins and do some technical analysis exactly the way I show you on this channel every single time, right? Go and do that technical analysis, and you will find these amazing coins that I bring to you every single time we come on the stream, because I do this. As soon as I come home from work, I don't sit down and play video games. I don't sit down and watch TV. I get in front of the computer, I start going through the charts, and I do my technical analysis. This is what I do. So if you want to be successful, you're going to have to do what successful people do. And that's not doing what everybody else is doing, right? Not everybody's getting up at 5 a.m. Not everybody's getting up at 7 a.m. to look at the charts. Well, guess what? That's what you got to do if you want to be successful. If you want to be better and make it, you got to do things that everybody's not doing. And that's what I'm going to leave with you tonight, right? We'll see what happens with the selection tomorrow, but I already told you what was going to happen. And that's just from looking at the charts. So. All right, everyone, this has been a great stream. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, right? Let me get you guys up here so I can get on the screen here. So make sure you comment down below, hit that like button, subscribe to the Manic Money Finance channel. If you have any questions, right, that's what we're here for. Post them in the comments, because we love answering questions. We love going over the charts with you. We love hearing your stories, right? Now, I want to just say it one more time. We're not financial advisors, right? We're not a financial advice channel, all right? This is simply a documentation of our financial journey. And if anybody benefits from this information, well, God bless them, right? All right, everyone. I'm going to get some dinner going. I'm a little tired. I'm hungry. I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night. But I hope you enjoy the stream, all right? So tune in. We're going to do this a little bit more. Try to get a little bit more consistent with the videos so that we're not leaving you hanging. So expect Bitcoin to go up. I'm looking for new all-time highs. That's what we're looking for, because yeah, we're going into this. Expect this year, the first part of the year, to be extremely bullish. That's what I'll leave with you. All right. Have a good night, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the stream. With that.